Imagine crafting advertisements so impactful, they don't just get noticed, they drive sales. Today, we're diving deep into how to harness the incredible potential of Sora to build advertising campaigns that captivate your audience and skyrocket your conversions. It all starts with understanding design principles. Think clean aesthetics, clear calls to action, and visuals that instantly communicate your value proposition. Sora makes it intuitive to translate these concepts into stunning ad creatives. First, let's navigate to the ad creation section. Within Sora, you'll see options for various ad formats. Choose the one that best suits your product or service. Then, it's time to bring your vision to life by either uploading your own high-quality images and videos or leveraging Sora's powerful AI to generate bespoke visuals. But a beautiful ad is only half the battle. Effective advertising is about reaching the right people. Sora's targeting options are robust. Define your ideal customer by selecting demographics, interests, behaviors, and even lookalike audiences. This ensures your ad spend is focused on those most likely to convert. Once your campaign is live, the real magic happens with optimization. Sora provides real-time analytics. Monitor your ad's performance closely. Are clicks high, but conversions low? Maybe your landing page needs a tweak. Are impressions limited? Consider adjusting your targeting or budget. Utilize A/B testing within Sora to compare different headlines, visuals, or even calls to action. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your ads, making them more persuasive and ultimately more profitable. By mastering these design principles, precise targeting, and continuous optimization techniques within Sora, you can unlock a new realm of advertising effectiveness and drive significant growth for your sales. Start creating your own Sora ad campaigns today and witness the power of iPod marketing for yourself. Sora Ads AI Marketing.